Hi everyone. In today's lesson we're going to be using everyday language to talk about length, to compare length. So we're going to be using words like longer and shorter, maybe longest and shortest. We'll come on to that shortly. For the lesson you will need 4 objects of different sizes. Now if you've got 4 toys of different sizes, that'll be great. I've got for my lesson, let me bring them over so you can see, I've chosen just some of my random toys. But the important thing is that they are all different sizes. That's going to become important in our lesson. Okay? If you've got any Play-Doh, that would be the best thing to use for this lesson. But if you haven't, which I haven't at home, use string, wool, even bits of paper, because later we're going to be making some skipping ropes that match the size of our characters. Okay, pause the video now, go and get what you need, and when we've done, we'll get our brains warmed up. Okay, see you in a minute. Time to warm my brains up. Now we've been doing some work on one more and one less, so I'm going to use this and I'm going to say a number and you need to tell me one more. So one more than one, that's right, one more than one is 2. One more than 2, good. One more than 2 is 3. One more than 0, one more than 0 is 1. Okay, we went forwards because we were doing one more. When we do one less, the numbers get smaller, so we go back the other way down the number line. So if I were to do 1 less than 5, I'll go 1 less than 5 is 4, and 1 less than 4 is 3. What's 1 less than 1? That's right, it is 0. Now, for the lesson, so we'll need to look at the we'll need to put our 4 objects in height or in size order. So I'm going to just look at mine by standing them up, and I'm just looking at these 2 together. This one is bigger than this one, that's or larger than this one, and then making sure that the feet are at the same line, and I can see this is smaller than both of them, and this one looks like she's bigger than all of them. So let's have a look. Yep, here we are in our line. We've got going from the smallest, they get bigger and bigger and bigger, and then going from the biggest or the largest, they get smaller and smaller and smaller. Your job today is to use your string, cut up 4 different lengths to match these figures. I'm going to show you a little bit more about what I mean. I've actually used some string that I've got cut up. So I've cut up the lengths of string. I'm going to put them into length order, so I'm going to put them all out in front of me. Let's have a look. You see, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 skipping ropes, but at the moment they're not in size order. I think it's going to make it easier, guys, put them in size order. So I'll do it and you do it, okay? So we'll put them in order. And then let's have a look. This looks to be the longest. This one, then they get shorter and shorter, and then finally this one is the shortest. So starting with the shortest, they get longer and longer up to the longest. Your job is to match your skipping ropes to your characters, okay? So I think you can see what to do. The largest has the longest and the shortest has the smallest. That's right. Okay, let's see how you go. Great to see some pictures. Send them to me. Always love to see what you've done. Cheers then, guys. Bye bye.